Prince Harry and Meghan Markle are continuing their fight to make sure everyone has access to the COVID-19 vaccine. The royal couple teamed up with the World Health Organization Director General to write an open letter to leaders of the G20 summit. The letter, which was published on the WHO's website, urges leaders to expand vaccine access in low-income nations. Quote, "When leaders of the world's wealthiest nations met at the G7 summit in June, they collectively announced that 1 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccines would be sent to low and middle-income countries to help vaccinate the world. Pharmaceutical companies have pledged almost the same. Yet, as several nations still don't even have enough vaccines for their own health workers, the world is left asking, where are the doses?" the letter said in part. Adding, quote, "Of the almost 7 billion doses that have been administered globally, just 3% of people in low-income countries have had a jab so far. Where are the rest?" The Duke and Duchess of Sussex continued by stating that every discarded vaccine should, quote, "outrage us all." Quote, "Promises aren't translating into vaccines reaching the people that need them. Among countries represented at the G20, there are a handful with millions of surplus vaccines that are destined to be wasted once they expire. Every discarded dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, when there are the mechanisms to donate them, should outrage us all. Each dose represents a real person, a mother, father, daughter, or son who could have been protected." Meghan and Harry concluded their letter with another strong message. Cooperation of historic proportion is the only solution. Lives literally depend on it. The letter is the couple's latest attempt to achieve COVID-19 vaccine equity. Last month, the pair traveled to New York City to speak about the world's need for vaccines at the Global Citizen Festival in Central Park. Back in May, the pair also acted as campaign chairs of Vax Live, which aimed to inspire vaccine confidence worldwide. During the event, Harry made a passionate speech about the need for better vaccine accessibility.
This pandemic will not end unless we act collectively with an unprecedented commitment to our shared humanity. The vaccine must be distributed to everyone, everywhere. We cannot rest or truly recover until there is fair distribution to every corner of the world.
Meghan, who didn't physically attend the event because she was pregnant with Lily, spoke virtually and talked about how having a daughter on the way has shaped their perspective on the pandemic's toll, especially on women.
My husband and I are thrilled to soon be welcoming a daughter. It's a feeling of joy we share with millions of other families around the world. When we think of her, we think of all the young women and girls around the globe who must be given the ability and support to lead us forward. Their future leadership depends on the decisions we make and the actions we take now to set them up and to set all of us up for a successful, equitable, and compassionate tomorrow.